Introducing our SkySpark Analyst e-learning course. We teach complete beginners how to find and use data in SkySpark, anywhere and anytime to suit you. Work through around 100 interactive questions on our custom-built digital platform. And use our very own hosted SkySpark in a browser. Experience finding real SkySpark data with no software installation or licenses required. In just a few hours, you will understand these fundamentals of using the main SkySpark applications. You can even plant trees and save the planet as you learn with us. So why not learn the easy way with Phantom Factory?